Hi. There's been an issue with Cam Studios, no matter what version you use, the XP, the Vista, the 7 version, no matter what version you use, there's been an issue where you can't get your stereo mix to work or your speakers to play through Cam Studios, and you have to turn your microphone on to use your device, your speakers. Well, this is the message everybody gets. Wave out, get, select, control, fail. That's what everybody gets. That's the wave out controller thing. You have to do it right now because you can see it. It's the wave, get, select, controller, fail. There's an issue with that. This can be fixed fairly easily. Just go to your, I can't do this or else I'm going to screw up I might screw up my options, but just to let you know, if my voice goes out, it's because I screwed it up. I don't think I will be able to do it, but I'll try it for you right now. Go to options, go to always, do not ever select audio from speakers. Only select audio from microphone. Go to audio options and go to microphone options. And then you can select, this is before you start recording. I think if you record during recording and try to screw around during recording, it's not going to work. But this is before our recording. So before our recording, make sure you select your device. It'll say default input device. Now, I don't know what your default input device is. It might be microphone, might be stereo mix, might be, something else, but here's how to do it. Click your stereo mix if it comes up in the list. Mine's right here. I'm not going to do it because it's going to screw my mic up. But click that and then you'll have access to your stereo mix. Now another way, if you want to play sound and do your voice at the same time, is go to your start, go to your control panel. It's different between XP and Vista and 7. If you're in 7, just go start and click control panel. If not, in XP, just look for control panel. And now, I don't know if this is true for XP, but in 7 and Vista, you gotta go click on sound. And then you click on recording device, and you click on your microphone. Now, I have mine as the default one as set as stereo mix. So it would be stereo mix all the time, but I don't want it to be stereo mix all the time. Sometimes I may want to do a video and I want to have voice audio only, not audio from iTunes or a video or something. But anyway, to get this to work, you gotta right click. I still don't right click. Double click on it and go to listen. And then click listen to the device. So every time this device works, every time you go to use your stereo mix, pick your voice up on it. Not even tried this yet, but don't get me wrong, I'm not sure if it works, but this should pick up, stereo mix should pick up your voice, and you click on listen to this device. Okay, right now I'm going to stop the video. With the magic of editing, I'm going to edit in another video, so it's going to be a two-part video, but it's going to be edited in to show you that I can truly get this to work. So please stay tuned, even though this video is done. Please do stay tuned to this video on YouTube. It's not finished. There's another video coming up after this video. Alright, I'm on Cam Studios and I'm using stereo mix. I can prove to you that I'm on stereo mix. Options. Then mic options. There you go, I'm on stereo mix. How am I using my microphone through stereo mix? By just going to my sound and telling it to listen to my mic. So I'm going to turn my mic. I'm not going to turn it off, I'm just going to turn the levels all the way down because it was been having trouble screwing up. This is the third time I had to record this video, so I'm going to turn the volume all the way down and just prove to you that I'm on stereo mix so you can hear my sound from iTunes. audio that proves to you that I'm stereo mix and that you can hear me that way. So this is the good way to use your system. Hold on one second. Why is it not working here? Oh, that's why. Alright, this is one of the ways you can use your stereo mix with your computer if you want to play and talk like this. So if you're trying to, like, oops, turn it down a little bit. So say you're trying to do a presentation like this. Blah 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 iTunes blah 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 blah. Let's take a listen through iTunes. You can see blah 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 whatever, and there you go. That's one of the options that you can use to fix the stereo mix issue in Cam Studios. Everybody gets this issue here. The wave, get, select, control, fail. So this is the way to fix it. So once again, go to your sound and click on recording, and then the recording tab, click on listen, and click listen to this device. So if you're going to use your microphone a lot this way, make sure you shut it off because you'll get this sound. I have to boost up a little bit. That's the sound you'll get. Nobody likes that sound. So anyway, thank you. This has been a way on how to fix your Cam Studios issues with stereo mix and not being able to control stereo mix. You have to have stereo mix enabled in your laptop or desktop computer. If you do not, it's not going to work. There might be other ways to do this, but I don't know how. But this is one way on how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. And the link to get Cam Studios will be in the description below. Thank you.